if I'm hearing you right, you seem to be suggesting that the increase in public equity exposure in these sophisticated investors' portfolios is attributable in large measure to investments in clean energy stocks. Like which ones?
Well, first of all, it's also in the FANGs and the longer themes, but in energy, there's been not just the interest in Tesla. You have the new competitor to Tesla, Lucid Air, being traded through the Churchill SPAC. And you have the truck stock you just mentioned, one. There's a number of truck stocks, and you have ETFs. In our groups, our members are looking at all the different ways to play it. You have ETFs for batteries, for wind, for renewable. And these are all public market opportunities that people are focusing on. Just one point. A decade ago, the old fossil fuel energy stocks were 16% of publicly traded stocks. Today, they're 3%. So although there are a lot of policy debates, the market has said the end of fossil fuels is near, notwithstanding the current activity you're talking about, which is supply and demand. But long term, they're on a one-way decline.
Michael, I wanted to ask you about real estate because this is coming up so much lately. It shows up amongst high net worth individuals. It comes up anecdotally in conversation for me around, the neighborhood with different people all the time. Lots of people think now is the time to invest in real estate, to buy homes in other parts of the country or condos or, and they're looking for that stream of rental payments and they're thinking it's an inflation hedge. And I guess two observations are, number one, what if it's not that inflationary of an environment? And number two, the prices are not a bargain right now. So are people who are investing in real estate doing so maybe for the wrong kind of macro environment, or do you think that it can still perform well? I'm just curious about sort of their reasons for investing in real estate and if it's too crowded, basically.
So our members have created the largest amount of wealth in their careers in real estate, but these are operators, people who really know how to move this way and that way as the market turns. And just as you're talking about, if you are a retail real estate investor, there's still a lot of negative headwinds coming. But the flip side of that trade is in industrial real estate that's serving all of these online purchases. So when we're in our meetings, typically in any given group, a couple of the people have deep expertise, but it's in different sectors of real estate. One of the big questions is office. I was speaking to one of our members this week who has a multi-generational office business. They keep buying because long-term, people are going to go to offices. We know offices will change, but people are still going to go to offices in whatever new format is going to evolve. So it's still a bedrock, hard asset that people can touch and see and feel comfortable with, particularly because of its income-producing capacity.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.